iOS 26, and a massive overhaul of Apple CarPlay. We are standing at the edge of the biggest automotive revolution in a decade. Today, we are diving into 15 groundbreaking features that are going to change the way you drive forever. Most people think CarPlay is just a way to play Spotify. But with iOS 26, Apple is literally taking over the hardware of your car. Let's start with true multi-screen integration. In the past, CarPlay was trapped in that one center screen. Not anymore. iOS 26 allows CarPlay to span across every display in your vehicle. Your digital instrument cluster, passenger side screens, and even rear seat entertainment. For the first time, your speedometer and fuel levels are rendered by Apple. You can choose from dozens of modern or classic analog themes. It's a total takeover, making any car feel like a luxury EV. Feature 14 is the introduction of native AI assistant stacks. While Siri handles the basics, Apple has finally opened the door to third-party AI like ChatGPT and Google Gemini directly within the CarPlay interface. Imagine brainstorming a business plan or summarizing a massive document for a meeting while you're behind the wheel. You can now engage in deep, human-like conversations with these models. It's like having a genius co-pilot in the passenger seat. Next is predictive hazard routing. Using real-time data from millions of other iPhones, CarPlay can now predict a hazard before it even happens. If there's a sudden slowdown 3 miles ahead that hasn't hit the maps yet, your dashboard will pulse with a subtle amber glow and automatically suggest a detour. It's not just reacting to traffic, it's anticipating it. Feature 12 is collaborative SharePlay for the whole car. We've all battled over the music. Now, anyone in the car can scan a QR code on the screen and instantly add songs to the queue from their own device. No more passing the phone around. It's a seamless, democratic way to handle your road trip soundtrack. Wait until you hear about deep vehicle control integration. This officially replaces the car manufacturer's native software. You can now control your climate, your heated seats, and even your sunroof directly from the CarPlay interface. You don't have to exit CarPlay to turn up the AC anymore. Everything is unified. For EV drivers, Feature 10 is a lifesaver, real-time battery preconditioning. If you set a destination to a charging station in Apple Maps, CarPlay will communicate directly with your car's battery to start warming or cooling it for the most efficient charge possible. It even shows you exactly how many stalls are open and the current price in real time. Then there are dynamic widget stacks. Think about the widgets on your iPhone home screen, but context-aware for driving. If you're heading to a calendar appointment, your next event widget expands. If you're low on fuel, a gas station widget appears with the cheapest prices nearby. It's an interface that thinks for you. Safety takes a leap forward with eye track focus. Using driver-facing cameras, CarPlay detects if your eyes have been off the road for too long. Instead of a loud beep, it uses spatial audio alerts. You'll hear a subtle sound that seems to come from the direction of the hazard, naturally pulling your attention back to where it needs to be. Feature 7 is cinema mode for park charging. While you wait, your CarPlay screen transforms into a theater. You can stream Apple TV+, Netflix, or YouTube directly on your main display. Because iOS 26 is so powerful, it uses your car's surround sound system to create a Dolby Atmos experience that beats most home setups. Personalization gets a boost with Biometric Driver Profiles. The moment you sit in the car, your iPhone identifies you, and CarPlay instantly adjusts everything: your wallpaper, seat position, favorite temperature, and driving focus settings. If someone else takes the wheel, it switches back to their preferences in seconds. We also have new app categories. Apple has opened the gates to professional productivity and home integration apps. You can now check your home security cameras or respond to Slack threads using advanced voice-to-text that understands professional terminology and context. Feature 4 is the Unified Messaging Hub. Instead of jumping between iMessage, WhatsApp, and Telegram, iOS 26 creates a single communication tile. It prioritizes messages based on importance and allows you to reply to all of them using one streamlined interface. The Ghost Navigation feature is truly mind-blowing. If your car has a head-up display, CarPlay now projects augmented reality arrows directly onto the windshield. It looks like blue navigation arrows are painted onto the actual road. You will never miss a turn again because the turn is glowing on the asphalt in your field of vision. Runner-up is the offline maps revolution. iOS 26 automatically downloads the entire map data for any route you're on, including 3D landmarks and points of interest, the moment you start your trip. If you hit a dead zone, the transition is 100% seamless. Finally, the number one feature, Apple Car Key 2.0 with proximity intelligence. Your iPhone doesn't just unlock your car anymore. As you approach, the car performs a welcome sequence. Lights, climate, and even opening the trunk if it detects you're carrying groceries based on your recent Apple Pay transactions. The Digital Valet feature even lets you send a temporary key to a friend that limits the car's top speed and tracks its location. Apple isn't just making software for your car anymore. They are redefining what it means to be a driver. Your car is no longer a machine. It's an extension of your digital life. With iOS 26, the boundary between your phone and your vehicle has officially disappeared. The future just downloaded itself onto your iPhone that Apple's iOS 26 introduces a comprehensive upgrade to Apple CarPlay, emphasizing enhanced functionality, refined design, and an improved user experience. With features such as customizable widgets, live activities, a modernized interface, and expanded media capabilities, this update redefines how drivers interact with their car's infotainment system. Whether you're managing music, navigating routes, or staying connected, iOS 26 delivers a more intuitive and personalized experience. The video below from Makias Molina gives us more details on Apple CarPlay in iOS 26, that widgets in iOS 26 CarPlay offer a new level of convenience by providing quick access to essential information directly on your dashboard. You can now create customized widget stacks for weather updates, reminders, music controls, and even live sports scores. The system's smart rotation feature ensures the most relevant widgets appear based on your current activity, minimizing distractions while driving. Additionally, AI-powered widgets, such as ChatGPT integration, bring advanced functionality to your car, allowing smarter interactions. For those with connected smart home devices, CarPlay now allows you to control lights, thermostats, and other appliances without leaving your vehicle, making it a central hub for both driving and home management. Live activities. Stay updated without distractions. The introduction of live activities in iOS 26 ensures that you remain informed with real-time updates displayed seamlessly on your dashboard. Whether you're tracking a flight, monitoring a countdown timer, or following a live sports game, this feature keeps critical information accessible without overwhelming your attention. Liquid glass design, a sleek visual upgrade. The new liquid glass design language in iOS 26 offers a polished and modern aesthetic, enhancing both usability and visual appeal. Redesigned icons and customizable interface modes, including light, dark, and clear themes, allow for greater personalization. Drivers can also select from a range of wallpapers inspired by previous iOS generations, adding a nostalgic touch to the updated interface. This design overhaul not only improves the overall look of CarPlay, but also ensures that navigating the system feels intuitive and seamless, making every interaction more enjoyable. Apple Music, a tailored audio experience. Apple Music in CarPlay now mirrors the robust functionality of its iPhone counterpart. With personalized playlists, curated recommendations, and pinned albums, accessing your favorite music has never been easier. The redesigned interface, featuring liquid glass elements, simplifies navigation through your music library, making sure that you can quickly find the perfect soundtrack for your drive. Whether you're streaming your favorite tracks, exploring new artists, or enjoying curated playlists, the updated Apple Music experience ensures that your journey is always accompanied by high-quality audio. Apple Maps, smarter navigation for safer journeys. Navigation in CarPlay has been significantly improved with updates to Apple Maps. The addition of multi-touch support enables effortless zooming and panning, provided your car's hardware supports this feature. Predictive route suggestions help you plan your trips more efficiently, while real-time incident reporting keeps you informed about traffic conditions, road closures, and accidents. These enhancements make navigation safer and more convenient, making sure that you can reach your destination with minimal stress and maximum efficiency. Communication features, streamlined calls, and messaging. iOS 26 introduces a compact, pill-shaped UI for calls, designed to minimize distractions while driving. For those moments when more detail is needed, you can switch to a full-screen mode, providing a clearer view of call information. In iMessage, pinned conversations and tap-back reactions make it easier to stay connected with friends and family. These updates ensure that communication remains seamless and accessible, even while on the road. Video streaming. Entertainment for parked moments. CarPlay now supports video streaming via AirPlay, allowing access to platforms like YouTube and Netflix when your car is parked. This feature transforms your vehicle into a mobile entertainment hub, perfect for long waits or breaks during road trips. By offering versatile media playback options, iOS 26 ensures that your parked moments are as enjoyable as your time on the road. Apple Podcasts. Personalized listening options. The redesigned Apple Podcasts interface in CarPlay introduces playback customization, allowing you to adjust speeds from 0.5x to 3x. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or exploring new content, these updates provide a more tailored listening experience. With improved navigation and playback controls, Apple Podcasts and CarPlay ensures that every drive is accompanied by engaging and personalized audio content. Improved navigation with sidebar and menu bar updates. The updated sidebar in CarPlay now supports up to 4 visible app icons, making it easier to access frequently used applications. This improvement streamlines navigation within the interface, making sure that you can quickly find what you need without unnecessary scrolling or searching. Beta release for developers only. Currently, iOS 26 is available in beta for developers to test and optimize their applications. The official release is expected in September. For non-developers, it is recommended to wait for the stable release to ensure a smooth and reliable experience. Transforming the driving experience. The iOS 26 update improves CarPlay into a more intuitive, customizable, and visually appealing platform. From real-time widgets and live activities to enhanced media capabilities and a sleek design, these features cater to both convenience and personalization. As Apple continues to refine its technology, CarPlay evolves into an indispensable tool for drivers, seamlessly blending innovation